Hey, what's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at one of the biggest releases of 2020. That's the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Dark Mocha. Before we do that, just do us a quick favor. Please hit the subscribe button, and we'll get right into the shoes. So Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGs have not lost any steam as of yet. It's still one of the most coveted shoes on the planet, and today we get to take a look at one of the most anticipated Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG releases of 2020, and that's the Dark Mocha. And a lot of that popularity has to do with a guy named Travis Scott, which we'll explain in just a little bit. But before we get into that, we just want to go over the basics. The official release date is October 31st. That's Halloween in the US. And the retail price is $170. You can find these on Nike sneakers. Big box retailers, boutiques will have raffles, so be sure to check the store list links below in the description. So darker, earthier colors have been a little bit more popular with sneakers. A lot of it has to do with the fact that Travis Scott's collaborations with Jordan have been so widely popular, not just with Jordan, but also with Nike. His Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG and Air Jordan 1 Lows and the 6s and his Air Force 1s and even his 270s have all been skewed towards earthier, brown, sail, tan, stuff like that. So that hue has been pretty popular with sneakers, and that's why this Air Jordan 1 has been one of the most coveted and most anticipated shoes of 2020. And we first learned about them in late 2019, and a lot of the sneaker info leakers deliver that information. A lot of the mock-ups were quite wrong. They were basically just guesswork. So just a quick note, again, not a knock on them, but a lot of the mock-ups that you see, they're not necessarily accurate. They're just giving you an educated guess of what it's supposed to look like. But now that we have official images, we can just give this a quick, straightforward description. It does have a classic black toe look, meaning there's black leather at the toe mudguard and then the forefoot, as well as the lace collar. There's a classic white leather at the toe box, the mid panel, and the ankle, and the brown is pretty much evident only on the heel and the ankle collar. So this is more of a black toe style color blocking, meaning it's kind of mimicking that original Air Jordan 1 colorway. They just did a quick colorway swap, and hey, if Jordan Brand wants to just do these with every color, I'm pretty sure everybody will eat them up, and there's no mystery why, because it's just one of the cleanest color blockings ever, especially on an Air Jordan 1. So just looking at these in hand, again, these speak directly to one of the hottest trends in terms of colorways. People are really looking towards those darker, moodier tones. You won't really see a lot of bright colorways, although Jordan Brand is clearly delivering on all cylinders in terms of what colorways people want. But yeah, these are kind of like the poor man Travises. We don't want to call these poor man Travises because we feel that these are going to do really, really well on the resale market. These are going to sell out immediately. And that's really no mystery for Air Jordan 1s, but this one in particular, just because it's that simple leather construction, it has that nice soft suede at the heel, and it's like a hardened suede. It's not like a hairy suede. You don't really see that in Air Jordan 1s anyway, but these are going to disappear really, really quickly. So for those of you who have made up your mind, that there's going to be raffles involved and all that. But yeah, these are just basically a hit of red short from being like a true, like a reverse or un-Travis colorway, you know what I mean? It's a clean mix. You can't really go wrong with these. So there's not really much more to say about Air Jordan 1s at this point, except for you either like them or you don't, and at this point you probably do. So again, October 31st, $170, clean mix of sail, dark mocha, and black. And again, check the links below, check the description below for full release information. We're going to have a store list where you can enter as many raffles as you can, because you're going to need all the help you need in order to get these at retail. And if you probably want them at resale, we think they're going to start at the very least at $300. It's just a really attractive colorway. It kind of goes with everything. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment below if these are the best Air Jordan 1s of the year, or if you want to nominate another previous release from 2020. We'd like to hear your thoughts. So again, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next vid.